Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're unboxing a bloody Dreamcast controller. And I hate boxes. So the question is, how do we do it? What is the best way to unbox a controller? Now, you've probably seen my other unboxing video. It was an unboxing video, nothing too exciting, nothing terribly exciting at all, actually. In fact, it was quite boring, if you ask me. I mean, we looked at the controller, we looked at the box, the design of the box. This time though, we're just going to open it like a child would. So let's pretend I'm 3 years old and my parents have bought me a Dreamcast. I have no idea what's wrong with my parents for buying me a Dreamcast when I'm 3 years old. That would mean I was born in... I'm almost a millennial. Maybe I am a millennial. I'm not too sure how all that works. Anyway, the best way to get it out is probably, it's like those, battery containers, battery packets where you got to sort of tear the back to get the front off. So you'd think you'd go through here, but chances are, if I'm 3 years old, yeah, look, I'm going to go through the front. So you got to get front, but 3-year-olds aren't very strong because they don't go to the gym. So you got to sort of rip it up and then just sort of get it off the box, and then the box, and then you got a hole, and then, well, you're a baby, so essentially, how old? What's a 3-year-old do? Do they laugh? Anyway, I guess they just keep looking, and then you can extract it sort of sideways from the box. Keeping the factory seal intact. However, if you watch the other video, you'd know that there is no factory seal on this particular box. So we've extracted the controller, which is great, and that's really all we needed to do. I've said it before and I'll say it again, I'm not a box collector. God, these are nice controllers when they're brand new. Oh God, there's surface mount capacitors in there. Got to recap the controllers. Wouldn't have even noticed them usually, I guess. Oh, I can read the values. 10, 47, 4.7 and blah. You can probably see them there. So anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick video on getting a Dreamcast controller out the right-hand side of the box as you're facing the rear, or the left-hand side if you're facing the front. I hope it's been educational at the very least. Please dislike this video just to show me that you don't like me doing that, and I won't do it again. Mainly because I have no more to do. McRetro out?